Welcome to I Am Kids Rian YouTube channel.
In this video, I am going to show you how you can do agregado familiar or how you can join all the family members of your family in a finance portal online easily. Or if you were unmarried before or you don't have kids or children registered in the finance portal, now from 31st December to 15th of the February, you can register them all so that while you fill up IRS from 1st of April to 30 or 31st of the June, you can get automatic IRS fill option so that you can easily do that. Otherwise, you have to fill IRS manually. So, to do agregado familiar, you should have your spouse, your child's or your parents who are dependent with use password and NIF numbers. Now go to any web browser and open it. You can go from mobile, laptop, computer, from any devices. Then go to the finance website or finance portal. You can search these words on any web browser, or if you know the link of the website, you can write there and you can directly go to the website. I will put the link below in the description. You can click there and you can go to this page. Now, there are three different ways to do the agregado familiar. One is clicking in IRS here. Second is go here and search for the aggregate data IRS, or you can search dados agregados IRS here. Then click on search or press enter. Then you will go here. If you search the English word, then you have to go a little down and you will get there IRS aggregate data. But if you go through the Portuguese word dados agregado IRS, then you can get this option at the beginning. This is the easiest one. So you go here, either click here or you can click on SS. Then I'm going to a little talk about the language, how you can change the language, because it comes, if you are using Google Chrome, it will come frequently. So if you click on English, then the language of this page will be converted into the English. But if you click on Portuguese, the page will be converted into Portuguese. But if you don't get this dialog box here like this, then you can go up here and click on this button. Then you will get exactly same option. Then you can change the language. But if you don't get this also, then you can right click on a page. You will see there translate to English. Now the page is already in English, so it is deactivated. Otherwise it will be activated. So in this way you can change the language also. Now click on SS. Then you will go to this page. Now here you have to put the NIF number of the person who is working or who is getting income. Then you have to put password and click on authenticate. Now the third option is going back and clicking on the begin section. Then you have to log in. Then when you come to this page, then you will see here all services or to do services. Then while you click, then you will go here, and here in this part you have to find or you have to look for IRS. Then in this part a little below, there you will see this option IRS aggregate data. Choose the first one, this one. You can go in this way as well. Now I'm starting from the beginning here. Among these three different options, this IRS option is easiest one. Then you can search for the word, and a little complex one is going from begin session. Now the easiest one, IRS. Either you can click on SS or you can click on IRS. Then you will go to this page. Right here NIF number of the person with whom other persons are going to be dependent. Type NIF number here, password, and click on authenticate. Then you will go to this page. Now here in agregado familiar or household, click on entregar comunicação or deliver communication. Then this page will be displayed. This page will be different according to the NIF number which is entered before. Now if you are doing it for the first time, then you won't be looking this one. you can directly go to the next step. Otherwise, if you have already registered as a married couple, then you will get this option. Then you have to authenticate this and then you can click on complete. Keep in mind, don't press complete before authenticating all the listed members. First of all, authenticate all of them, then click on complete. Otherwise, you will lose these already registered options. If you lose, then you can also do it like a new member, but why you want to get more trouble if it is already registered? So first of all, authenticate all of them, then click on complete. When you authenticating, you click on authenticate, then in the right side here you will see your NIF number and the place for putting password. Then you put your password and click on authenticate. Do it for all the listed members and at last click on complete. Then if you are new, then you don't see this, you can directly jump to this page. Then here go little down and then there you will see your NIF number, full name and civil status or marital status. This is for the new and the person who did press complete before authenticating that. Then click on open edit mode. Now you can change your civil status or marital status. Now from here you can choose your situation. What is your status now? You can choose married, separated, divorced according to your status. Then click on close edit mode. Now you will get the option for putting your spouse. Then you can put your spouse NIF number. When you put NIF number here, it will automatically go to this authenticate page. Now here you have to authenticate. Click on authenticate, then this will appear here. Put password of your spouse and click on authenticate. Now you will see here spouse NIF number and full name. Then click on close edit mode. Now if you are married, just married only, then you can submit this form. Otherwise, if you have dependent, either your children or your father or mother who is dependent with you, then you can add from here. Click on it, then put NIF number or TIN number of your parent and then choose dependent from here. When you put TIN number, then it will automatically go to the authenticate page and then you have to authenticate for them as well. And if you just have one, then you can click on close edit mode and you can submit it as well. Otherwise, you can click on add dependent to add more. In my case, we are not doing anything, so I'm cancelling this and going to submit this only. Now, this is done successfully. In this way, we can submit our Agregado Familiar online, or we can do Agregado Familiar online. Now click on get proof to get this one. Now you can go to the top right corner there and click on save or printer. There is a printer icon or save option. You can click there and you can save it for your future use. In this way, you can do Agregado Familiar online yourself and it will be helpful for you while you fill up the IRS later on. I hope this video definitely helped you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also click on bell icon to get notification about next video which I post in my channel. Thank you.